This is Sabih Khan, born in India, raised in Singapore, and now the Senior Vice President of Operations at Apple. He joined Apple back in 1995 as an engineer, and today he manages Apple's entire global supply chain. Every iPhone, iPad, and Mac you see was brought to life thanks to his team. While Tim Cook is the face of Apple, Sabih Khan is the man who makes sure the world gets its Apple products on time. It's not easy to get to where he is today. In fact, it took him 27 years. Back in 1995, Sabih graduated from the University of Illinois with a degree in electrical engineering. The same year, he joined Apple and started working as an engineer in their Power PC division. His job was to oversee the manufacturing of Apple's desktop computers, but soon he realized that while he liked the technical side of things, he liked managing people and projects even more. So he started taking on more responsibility and eventually became the director of Mac and iPad product marketing. In 2011, he got promoted again and became the vice president of the company's worldwide supply chain. It was a huge role with a huge challenge. Make sure every Apple product gets to the customer on time without any delays or mistakes. This meant managing thousands of suppliers around the world, negotiating with them, making sure they have the resources they need, and keeping an eye on every step of the production process. At the same time, Sabih also had to manage Apple's logistics, which included figuring out the best and cheapest way to transport their products all over the world. But despite all these challenges, Sabih didn't just do a good job, he did an outstanding job. He helped Apple cut costs, improve efficiency, and build a strong supplier network. In fact, he played such a big role that in 2015, he got promoted once again and became the Senior Vice President of Apple's operations. Today, he oversees the entire global supply chain for all of Apple's products. This means that if something goes wrong anywhere in the world, Sabih and his team have to fix it. They might have to find new suppliers, find new ways to transport products, or figure out how to make a product more efficient. But despite all this pressure, Sabih has never once been late with a product. Every iPhone, iPad, and Mac that you see is delivered to customers on time, thanks to Sabih and his team. We often hear about Tim Cook and his contributions to Apple, but we rarely hear about Sabih Khan and his contributions to Apple. He's not in the spotlight, but behind the scenes he's making sure that Apple keeps making money. Sabih's story shows us that sometimes the people behind the scenes are just as important as the people in the spotlight. That's all for today. See you next time.